In 2020, when COVID came, there was a halt in the education system. The schools were closed, and the easy solution was online classes. While online education kept some continuity, but they failed in providing appropriate and developmentally experiential education to the first time school goers. And the after effects of that is now seen when they have come to first, second, or third standards. These first time school goers missed out on very important developmental cognitive experiences such as exploration, experimentation, and physical social interaction that can only happen in a physical setting such as classrooms. We as parents, caregivers, and educators need to fill this loss and gap. For more details, read the caption below. Thank you.